But first things first, we're gonna cover mitosis, including all the things cell division and meiosis, diploid, haploid, the cell cycle too, and many other terms it might be hard if you're new. First of all, cell division, what is that? TOS, sit down, I know where it's at. Cell division includes mitosis and meiosis. We're gonna be covering both today, but first of all, mitosis. Mitosis is what all somatic cells do. Somatic cells, of course, being the cells that make you. We got organs, blood, connective tissue, and those cells, of course, have to renew. Mitosis includes 4 main stages, including prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. First of all, prophase, the first of the 4, which involves a nucleus in a cell's the core. The nucleus dissolves, leaving the DNA in packs and forms chromosomes from unpacked chromatin. Chromosomes are wrapped packages of DNA, full of genetic material longer than an essay. Chromosomes condense with the nucleus. They have twice the info, an alias. Slowly, spindle-like fibers form around the chromosome. They circle and conform. That was the end of the prophase stage. Now it's time for metaphase. During metaphase, the spindle-like fibers all alone arrange and connect to each chromosome. They arrange them in the center on the equatorial plane, ready for the next step, which is anaphase. In anaphase, it pulls the chromosomes apart, doubling them, generating after part. Before they were separated, they looked like X's, but now they're segregated and look like apex. The spindle-like fibers pull them across the cell, ready for the divide, pulling them to the shell. Now the last stage, telophase, the cell splits in 2. They are called daughter cells. They came from the parent cell. We have 2 diploid cells. They are diploid as there didn't any chromosomes themselves. That was the process of mitosis. Now join me as I go through meiosis. Meiosis is similar but for gamete cells. In other words, the reproductive cells. Unlike mitosis where there are 46 chromosomes, meiosis is haploid, leaves you 23 all alone. This is so when 2 gamete cells meet, they form together and end up complete. This is the process of how you came to be, combining the DNA from he and she. Just like mitosis, there are 4 main stages, only this time it happened in 2 sets of phases. Just like mitosis, prophase is first. Chromosomes condense as the nucleus bursts. Again, just like mitosis, metaphase comes next. The chromosomes line up as they're ready for the next step. Next metaphase, spindle-like fibers all alone, as they line and connect to each chromosome. They arrange them in the center on the equatorial plane, as they're ready for the next step, which is anaphase. Just like mitosis, they pull the chromosomes apart, which again generates a depart. And lastly comes telophase, the chromosomes at opposite poles. The cell begins to split as it forms 2 holes. What's different about meiosis, the whole thing repeats again. However, the number of chromosomes are 23 then. And unlike mitosis where the process only makes 2, meiosis does it twice the time and makes 4 new. Because they divide so much, it makes them haploid though, unrivaled to the 46 diploid chromosomes. Cell division is a big part in every cell's life. I hope you know a little bit more. Thank you and good night.